Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In today's video we're going to be going over an issue which a lot of people seem to be having currently, and that is an issue with lighting inside of Unreal Engine 5. So as you know, Epic Games have changed the lighting engine inside Unreal Engine 5, and we've now got Lumen, which is very powerful and very amazing and creates beautiful looking scenes. However, you might notice after you build your lighting, the scene goes very dark. Now this is something that would happen in 4 as well, however you could fix it by modifying the lighting. But in 5, if you do that, it will go back to normal. So let me show you what I mean by that. So I've got a very dark and kind of creepy looking scene here, where I've just basically put a roof over the starter place and put some lights in here. Now if I were to go to build lighting only, after I build the lighting, you'll notice this is probably going to get very dark again. So as you can see here now, the level is incredibly dark. It's as if we don't have any lights in here. So how do we fix this? Well, what we need to do is we need to select all of our lights which we want to actually be working, we want to have built. So I've just selected all of mine like this. And you'll notice my mobility is static. I imagine yours will be static or stationary. What we're going to do is change it to movable. Now you see it's updated, it's now fixed. That's not fix the problem just like that, because obviously if we just change it between these, they'll be fixed. All we did was we updated it. However, that will work, so now when we build it, they will stay at this brightness level. And the reason this is because when you are in static or stationary, the textures and the lighting is then baked on. Lumen doesn't work with baked lighting because it's all kind of real time, it's ray tracing, so it doesn't work baked, it has to be movable. So as you can see, movable lights can be moved and changed in game, it's totally dynamic. Whereas static or stationary is a static light, can't be changed in game, is a fully baked lighting, so it's the fastest rendering. However, it doesn't work with Lumen, so if you want that extra quality of lighting, you need to make sure you're movable with Lumen enabled. So now if we debuild this, we should notice it stays like this. So now that I've finished building the lighting for a second time, you'll notice the lighting has now stayed the exact same. It's the same level of brightness that I had before building it, and this will now work perfectly for how we want and for what we want it to be doing. So this is just a very quick video going over this common issue which a lot of people are having. The reason why I made a video is because a lot of people have been asking me it, so I thought the easiest way to explain it to a lot of people is to just make a quick video covering the topic. So that's what we've gone over and done today. We fixed an issue where the lighting would go back to pitch black as if we had no lighting in the level after we have built the lighting, and this was just an issue people were having with Lumen inside of Unreal Engine 5. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.